Welcome to this week's edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Dynavax shingles vaccine, Z1018, has achieved a 100% antibody response rate, matching the immune response of Shingrix, but with improved safety in adults aged 50 to 69. Notably, CD4 positive T-cell responses were significantly higher, 89.7% for Z1018 compared to just 3.5% for Shingrix. The vaccine now moves into phase 2 trials, expanding to patients aged 70 and above. PDS Biotech has announced that its immunotherapy combination of PDS 0101 with Keytruda has led to a median overall survival of 39.3 months in patients with head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, nearly doubling the 17.9 months observed with Keytruda alone. A new phase 3 trial has been launched to confirm these promising results. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has suspended the use of Ixchiq, the chikungunya vaccine developed by Valneva, citing safety concerns. 4 serious adverse events were reported, including 1 death due to encephalitis. The FDA determined that the benefit-risk balance is currently insufficient. As a result, shipments and sales of the vaccine in the U.S. have been halted while Valneva investigates further. A dendritic cell vaccine has shown promise in slowing liver cancer progression. Patients treated with the personalized immunotherapy experienced a progression-free survival of 18 months, compared to 10 months for those who did not receive the vaccine. Developed using patients' own immune cells, this approach enhances the body's natural anti-tumor response. The trial is the first of its kind and lays the foundation for larger studies. Osivax has raised $19.5 million to support the development of OVX836, a universal influenza A vaccine. Unlike traditional flu vaccines, OVX836 targets the virus's nucleoprotein, a component less prone to mutation. Over 1,400 participants have been enrolled in clinical trials so far, with encouraging results supporting further development. Comirnaty, Pfizer BioNTech's updated LP 8.1 adapted COVID-19 vaccine, has received approval in the United States for high-risk individuals. It is now authorized for adults aged 65 and older, as well as for high-risk individuals aged 5 to 64. The updated formulation targets circulating strains expected in the upcoming season. Shipping begins immediately in preparation for a fall 2025 rollout. GC Biopharma has launched a phase 3 clinical trial for varicella, its chickenpox vaccine, in Thailand. The trial includes 474 children and will compare varicella head-to-head against Merck's Varivax. The objective is to gain regulatory approval across Southeast Asia. GC Biopharma is the first Korean company to pursue validation for a 2-dose varicella vaccine. Stay ahead in vaccine research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.